Dongda Hui International Trade Company Limited is a service company authorized by Wuxi Jiangnan Cable Co. Limited to serve the international market. We provide professional pre-sale, sale, after-sales, one-stop service. Our associated factory has strong scientific research strength, established technology center, R&D laboratory, and testing center. Our products have passed many international standards certifications, such as CE, SABS, RoHS, CB, TUV. Wuxi Jiangnan Cable Company Limited is a large wire and cable group company specializing in the research and development, manufacturing, sales, and service. It produces 100 varieties and 40,000 kinds of products in 3 categories: 500 kilovolt and below power cables, electrical equipment cables, 1,100 kilovolt and below bare wires. It can also customize special performance products. Wuxi Jiangnan Cable Company has advanced production and testing equipment, including ultra-high voltage cross-linked cable production lines from Finland, the coiling and frame twisting equipment from Germany and France, wire drawing production line from Italy, and ultra-high voltage cable partial discharge detection system from Switzerland. Products are exported 100 countries and regions, including the United States, Ghana, Maldives, Jamaica, the Philippines, Tanzania, which has won the trust and praise of our customers. The company always adheres to the integrity and pragmatism, customer-first business philosophy. As always, supplies high-quality products, excellent service, and cooperates sincerely with customers for mutual benefit and win-win results.